Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Begin with a quick pre-drive inspection to ensure safety and performance. Check tire pressure at 35 psi front and 33 psi rear before every spirited drive. Inspect tread and adjust pressures cold for consistent handling. Verify engine oil level and coolant before starting the turbocharged engine. Look for leaks or low levels that could cause damage. Confirm brake fluid level and function to ensure safe braking performance. Test lights, mirrors, and seat position. Adjust steering wheel and set the parking brake off before driving. Start smoothly to preserve drivetrain and avoid torque steer during acceleration. Use gentle clutch engagement and moderate throttle to prevent turbo lag and wheel spin. Build boost progressively by keeping revs between 2,000 and 3,500 RPM on initial pulls. Shift up around 3,500 RPM for economy and 4,500 RPM for stronger acceleration. Anticipate corners and downshift early to the proper gear. Rev match downshifts using blips of throttle to maintain stability through corners. Avoid abrupt clutch release to reduce wear and keep composure while exiting turns. Approach corners with planning and calm inputs for fastest, safest laps. Brake in a straight line and trail, brake gently into corners for better turn-in. Aim for late, firm braking and release progressively before apex to balance weight. Downshift to the right gear early and stabilize the car with small steering corrections. Maintain throttle smoothly through the exit to avoid understeer or oversteer. Maintain correct tire pressures, consider 2, 3 to 2, 5 bar for track use if needed. Always respect limits and prioritize safety over speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.